Well, good morning, folks. Today I'm heading out with Ryan. Ryan is an IAM City of Belfast advanced rider. I'm going to be following Ryan. We're going for breakfast at McCrum's, and then we're going for a ride around the loch, or the loch. It's not the loch as in L-O-C-K, L-O-U-G-H, loch. Don't know how you would say it. Well, we do. But I'm from Belfast, so we have our own brogue and our own tongue. So for anybody that speaks properly, tough. This is me. You get what you see is what you get, or what you get is what you see. I'm not trying to be smart. I'll leave that for everybody else. I'm just coming out of the 7 Mile Straight. Muck at the road. Lovely house. I wonder if they give it to me. So as far as I know, we're going to be connecting up comms. Ryan's on Sena, which he loves. I'm on Interphone, which I don't talk to anybody. Bar my wife, which I love. Yes, I love her, and I love speaking to her on the comms. So hopefully we get these paired up alright. I was looking at a video last night and it all looks good, simple, but when it comes to reality it may be just a little bit harder than we know, but we'll have a go at it. So this might be the last of the speech on my own, because the rest of the time I'm going to be talking to Ryan on comms, and there's no point in having our dribble coming across the video. So, and as you can see, the weather is a lovely bright sunny day today, with maximum temperatures of 30 degrees. All lies. It's overcast, it's misty, it's drizzling, it's expected heavy rain at times. So going true to form, I would say we'll probably be following the rain clouds all day. So it's only a short day, we're only doing a half day, so it's about 8 o'clock this morning, 8 AM till about 1300 hours to 1 o'clock. So, and I'll try and do speed at 2 times speed to see where we end up, because I've got my bike cameras on as well, but I don't know how they're going to fare, because obviously the rain always has like a teardrop effect whenever it hits the front of the camera. They're great cameras for any time, but they are obviously, it's like anything else, you're riding in the rain, so, but they will pick up whatever you need to pick up. So the cameras on the bike are the Visto dual dash cam. They're waterproof. I bought them on Amazon. It's a Chinese company and they've been absolutely fantastic. The one on my helmet, which I'm speaking to now, is from Drift Innovations, and this is the Drift XL, and I love it. Now, as the group BARNI, I love it so much that I have we've done wee draws, and we've given, I think, 5 on the page. We've also given away gloves, summer gloves. So much for summer gloves. Now I've got my winter Gore-Tex ones on, ones that my wife brought me. I'd lost out my wife, you know that. And on my feet I've got my Alpine Stars waterproof boots, which I won from Apex 66. Gracias! Because that was brilliant. I couldn't believe I won, and when I have some more money I probably will do more draws with them. Nice bunch of guys, seem very friendly. I've spoken to them a couple of times on the phone, and yeah, It's all good. Boots, foot is lovely and toasty. In fact, no more letting water in. So we're just coming to the end of the 7 Mile Straight. And I'm going to meet Ryan here shortly. So with the bike today, I've taken it out of sports mode and put it in rain mode. Funny enough, it was obvious there because I went to take off and it was like a wee bit, just wasn't as crisp. So used to driving in sports mode. My goodness, it didn't take me 10 minutes coming up here, did it? Supposed to meet round past. Where's it there? 10 minutes? That's luck. That's luck on the gates, trying to get out. Dear dear. Look, there's the man himself.